Make sure you're getting the most out of your Spectrum Internet and in-home Wi-Fi speeds. If you think your speeds may be slower than they should be, you can check by performing a speed test. Let's show you how. For this example, we'll consider a home that has an internet speed of 200 megabits per second. First, run a Wi-Fi speed test on your computer or device to check your in-home Wi-Fi speeds by visiting spectrum.net/speedtest. It's best to run this test while close to your router, removing additional variables that may impact the test results. When ready, select Begin Test. The internet service should deliver around 200 megabits per second. Make note of your speeds after running your first test. If the results seem slow, there are steps that can be taken to improve performance. Keep in mind that wireless speeds will be slower and vary due to loss from traveling over the air. The age and capabilities of the computer or device will also impact the test results. If the speed results come close to your level of internet service, then your router setup is functioning properly. Depending on your results, you may want to run a wired speed test on your computer for comparison. This process will vary depending on your setup. You may have a modem and a router, or a single box where the modem and Wi-Fi router are built into the same piece of hardware. We'll cover the steps for both. First, unplug the Ethernet cord from your router, or depending on your equipment, find your Ethernet cord, and connect directly from your modem to your computer. Rerun the speed test using the same computer. Again, make note of your speeds. You may see some variation in your results as speeds will be slower over Wi-Fi than with a wired connection. If the results are comparable and reflect your level of service, you can reconnect your Ethernet cord back to your router or remove it if you have a single box and weren't using it before. Remember, wired connections have the best performance. Wi-Fi connections allow you to connect your devices to the internet and move through your home, but can be impacted by a number of factors. You may see differences in speeds between the Wi-Fi and wired speed tests due to factors like the location and age of your router or device, home construction, or interference from other devices. To learn how to troubleshoot these issues, watch our Maximizing Your In-Home Wi-Fi video. For more helpful support videos, visit spectrum.net/videos.